we have a bunch of amazing sewing kits. So as I was stating, it's always good to have things that already come with everything in them. It's a one-stop shop, ready to go. You can just grab it, you can have it, and you're ready to rock and roll. That's what I love. So this one right here is a Learn How to Sew kit, and it's actually for beginners or, you know, for intermediate kids, basically ages 8 and up. And this is what it looks like. And basically, it comes with all of the contents that you see. So you do get the felt, the yarn, the thread, the plastic needle, plastic beads, elastic rope, sequins, rhinestones, zippers, stuffers, and paint. So everything is on the back that you see that you get in this box. And you basically are able to make everything that's on the box. It is super simple, super easy. I myself am not a sewer. I know how to sew little things, like maybe how to sew a button back onto a shirt. Or if there's a hole in my pants or my sock, I know how to sew that hole back up. But sewing things in general aren't really my strongest point. But I will show you. Look at how cool the zipper, the yarn, the measuring tape, everything comes all in one, and the rhinestones ready to go. How cute is that? And then, of course, you do get your little stencils on what you want to make. There's a lot that comes in this box. Here are the plastic needles. You get 3 plastic needles, and you actually get 2 real needles as well. So, of course, if you are purchasing this for your child, please make sure there's child supervision, because there is 2 real needles in the bag as well. As you guys can see, 3 plastic needles up there, and then 2 real needles in there. With the sequins, you do get your fluffy stuffing. I know Aubergine, my dog, likes to take the stuffing out of material. And then, of course, you do get a few instruction manuals on what you'd like to do. So this one right here is a felt bear pencil case. On one side, it shows you instructions from start to finish on how to go ahead and sew that. And then on the back, you get a felt kitten iPhone case and a felt unicorn kit at the back as well. So it shows you all the instructions. And then, of course, there's more. You get a hair clasp and a pretty bracelet that you can go ahead and make as well right up there. And then, of course, on the other end, you get a little cute felt donut or a unicorn flag. So all in all, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items of things that you can learn how to sew. This is absolutely cool. So each item comes in its own separate packaging. As you can see, everything is in there that you need. And of course, if you guys can see as well, there's already pre-cut slits in there. So of course, if you are using the plastic needle, there's no need to go ahead and try to puncture the felt, because there's already pre-slit holes in there for you. So look at all the amazing things that you do get in this package. You get 7 cool items that you can work with, along with all of the rhinestones, the fluff that's needed, and the needles. So this set right now is going for $17.99. And of course, I will tell you guys, it is definitely worth it. This is such a cute little Christmas gift to give to anyone in your family who loves the arts and crafts. They want to learn how to sew, and they want to just make themselves some things so that they can have around the house or take it to school and let their friends know, hey, I sewed this. So as I mentioned, it's good for beginner sewers, or it's good for people who are interested in sewing but want to learn how to make more items. So I definitely like that. So remember, guys, learn how to sew. Love it. 7 items that come in a box. You get all of these amazing things right there on the back. You don't want to miss out on this amazing brand. Take a look on our Amazon storefront page, and don't forget to use our code Dealstories, because we always love to save on deals, deals, deals.